This is a video to show you two of the most used second inversion triads. The second inversion 1 chord is really a dominant chord. This will be used extensively when we resolve augmented 6 chords. It always goes directly to the 5 before it resolves to the tonic. In the 1-6-4 chord, the 5th is in the bass. Double the bass. That makes it very much dominant. And fill in the other notes, C and the E. When you're resolving the 1-6-4 to the 5, retain the 2 dominant notes and move the other notes to the 5 chord. So 2 G's, a B, and a D. And then resolve it to the 1, whichever method you want to use. I will go down. The 5th goes down, so I'll take all the voices down. G will go down to E. D will go down to C. And B will go down to G. You can also take the 1-6-4 to a 5-7 chord. Again, double the bass in the 1-6-4. Fill in the other notes. In this case, you cannot retain the 2 dominant notes because we're going to put all 4 notes in the 5-7 chord. The closest in the 5-7 chord would be the 7th. So we're going to put the 7th in the soprano. Take the G to the 7th. Put parentheses around it so you'll resolve it correctly. And we need a B and a D. Now to go to the 1 chord. Always resolve the 7th first. The 7th resolves down by step, so the F will go down to an E. And then fill in the rest of the chords, the rest of the chord. So we'd have a G here and a C here. Okay. The second inversion 5-6-4 chord is most often used in a passing situation. I want you to notice how similar it is to the resolution of the 7-6 chord, the passing 7-6. So let's fill in. Remember, with the 7-6, you fill in the bass notes, E, D, C. Then you write the same 3 notes in reverse order in another voice. C, D, E. Fill in. So we have a 1-6. We need a 1. We need a C and a G. Fill in the other 2 notes of the 7-6. Remember, the doubling is already there because you double the bass in the 7-6 chord. And so I'll take this down to the F, this down to the B, and then go right back up to the 1 chord. Okay, so we'll write this in the same voicing. Write your bass, C, D, E, D, C, and then reverse C, D, E, fill in the 1 chord, C, and G. Now in the 5-6-4, we don't have the same notes as the 7, so use the appropriate notes. We need G, B, D, so we need a G and a B. The G fits very nicely there, and the B here. And then the 1 chord, C and G. Notice that the only difference in the passing 7-6 and the passing 5-6-4 is this note right here. Now, of course, there are other ways to use the second inversion triads, and your book has a lot of them, but these are the 2 most commonly used. So check out your book for other ways to use the 6-4 chords.